Welcome to the latest edition of Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Boehringer Ingelheim presented Phase 3 data from the Synchronize-1 and Synchronize-MASLD studies at ADA 2026. Survodutide demonstrated up to 16.6% weight loss in obesity patients and also reduced liver fat in patients with metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease. No new safety signals were reported, and the findings may influence future prescribing and payer evaluations, pending full data release. Pfizer presented mid-stage VESPER-3 data for berobenatide, its investigational monthly GLP-1 obesity injection. The company reported a side effect profile similar to Wegovy, with gastrointestinal adverse events occurring primarily early in treatment and appearing dose-related. The results support ongoing development as Pfizer explores differentiated obesity treatment options. Cywind Biosciences reported interim results from the Slimmer Up Switch study conducted across 17 sites in China. In 163 adults with obesity, ecnoglutide achieved 12.8% weight loss at week 20, compared with 9.5% for semaglutide. The findings suggest competitive efficacy and may strengthen interest in next-generation GLP-1 receptor agonists. Roche highlighted new obesity data at ADA 2026 for enicepatide, a dual GLP-1 and GIP agonist, and petrelintide, an amylin analog. Both programs are advancing into Phase 3 development, and Roche plans to initiate a multi-arm Phase 2 combination trial in mid-2026. The update reflects continued investment in diversified obesity treatment approaches. Survey data reviewed by Spherix Global Insights suggested stronger early uptake for Novo Nordisk's Wegovy pill compared with Eli Lilly's Foundayo in the US market. Physicians reported higher first-month prescribing activity for the oral semaglutide product, although interpretation depends on study design and potential confounding factors. Novo Nordisk reported that Wegovy pill surpassed 3 million US prescriptions within just over 5 months of launch. More than 80% of new prescriptions were written for patients who had not previously used GLP-1 therapy. The milestone highlights strong demand and the potential role of oral options in expanding obesity treatment access. France announced reimbursement coverage for Wegovy and Mounjaro beginning in mid-June for eligible patients with severe obesity. Coverage will apply to patients with a body mass index of at least 35 with one comorbidity, or a body mass index of at least 40, regardless of comorbidities. The decision could influence future obesity reimbursement policies across Europe. At ADA 2026, Novo Nordisk Chief Executive Officer Mike Doustar discussed semaglutide's potential beyond weight loss. He highlighted emerging research related to organ protection and longevity, suggesting that semaglutide may play a broader role in chronic disease management as evidence continues to evolve. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.